Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. Hello. Welcome to Udipin. We are really glad to have you here. Can you please introduce yourself and the company?
So it's my company's name is Amsberg International. We are into corporate gifting. It's been 15 years. We are into corporate gifting. We manufacture premium quality diaries, and right now we are manufacturing tumblers, water bottles, laptop bags, and everything. And we have three offices. One is in Vimannagar, second is in Andheri, third is in Bangalore, and we are proceeding towards Dubai also. And we have existing client hold into 32 countries. That's it.
Great to hear about it. So, what motivated you to be a part of Udipin?
So, as we connected with the Mr. Pathik, who's taking care of the corporate relationships, so he tell me that this is the platform where we can connect with the other MSMEs.
Yeah,
And he told me the ministry is coming and everything. So I think it's a great opportunity to showcase our brand. So that's how we connect.
okay. So, did the event and the people and the walk-ins help you in brand visibility, or what were you anticipating for the event?
Yeah, it's definitely, as I said, the most of the HRs are coming to attend the event. So we are getting connected with all the HR from all the companies. So this is the most important aspect for us, because our main products are corporate gifting. So HR is the only taking care of all that orders and everything.
Employee relations and everything. It was a hit for you. But
Yeah, definitely. And for the your students also, it is useful because they are getting with the MSMEs and everything.
yes,
And we also getting good employees for the future.
thank you so much, sir. Your words really mean a lot. Thank you so much, ma'am. And it was nice talking to you.